I had to ask you a breakthrough moment, what would it be and why?
I think the first would be Pyar Ka Panchnama, of course, because that was my debut film. The most important breakthrough in my life came through Sonu Ke Titu Ki Sweetie. That was a film which actually kind of, I never expected it to be a launch kind of a film, but it basically did that for me. It became a relaunch kind of a film for me as a commercial actor. And nobody before Sonu Ke Titu Ki Sweetie, which was like 7 years into the industry, nobody knew my name. They just knew that he's that guy वो जो लंबे डायलॉग्स बोल देता है, मोनोलॉग बोलता है, so that guy. तो वैसे नाम किसी को कार्तिक registered ही नहीं था. सोनू did that.
You mentioned Amit Ji and Shah Rukh and all of that. What are the kind of conversations you have if you met them personally? Has there been any kind of advice or something that has been given to you by them? Or
I think Shah Rukh sir is very warm. He is very sweet. I think he's someone जिनके जब भी मिलता हूँ वो he talks about the film that he's seen, last film of mine. कुछ ना कुछ वो conversation में वो खुद ही वो चीज़ बोल देते हैं. I remember during Bhool Bhulaiya 2 also, उसके release के बाद में उनको कहीं एक event पे मिला था. And he was the one who called me and told me that बहुत अच्छी film थी, मैंने देखी तेरी और ये. So I mean he's someone who doesn't shy away from actually congratulating.
do you really feel you have lost out to the Nepo kids in the past because of, say, somebody's influence in the industry and you lost out on work, or is it a myth, or is there more to it?
Certain actors and their journey, and if, for example, if you put my journey there, I won't have those directors in my list or those the biggest of names at that point of time where I started from. So when you compare it like an even field, then you have to compare it from the fact that अगर ये भी इनके साथ काम करता तो क्या ये यहाँ पहुँच पाते जहाँ मैं पहुँच पाया हूँ?
Mentioned Chandu Champion, it's a biopic. So when you met the Murlikant Petkar, so what is the kind of conversations you had with him?
I remember we were swimming at this, in Pune we had some swimming thing, shooting चल रहा था वहाँ पर, and it was on the second floor, the swimming pool. So I got to know that he's come, so I went there downstairs to meet him. And then he saw me swimming and he just told me that तू exactly मेरा freestyle कर रहा है. ये मैं बता रहा हूँ, जो भी मैंने कबीर को बोला था, exactly तो वही follow किया. So I was almost in, it's a mehnat of like 2 years or something, and somebody whose life it's based on is saying that, it meant a lot to me.